Good morning to one and all. This is Suman, JLNET, Devarkadra, Mahabub Nagar. Let's go to the topic. Today topic is today topic is electric toaster. Today topic is electric toaster. Electric toaster is one of the most popular household electric appliances. Is used to electric toaster. What I'm saying, one of the most popular household electric appliance used for electric toaster. Electric toaster used to toast bread slices. Toast bread slices. Making of sandwiches. Okay. Toaster are low voltage appliance. Toasters are low voltage appliance. Okay, na? It works on the principle of heating effect of electric current. It works on the principle of heating effect of electric current. Toaster are low voltage appliance and available with a rating of 200 to 250 watts range. Okay, 250 to 200 to 250 watt range. Okay, 250 to when the current is passed through a resistance, heat is produced. Okay, so that is resistance is produced to the heat when the current is passed through the resistance. So it's I square or T, I current or resistance, T time. Okay, heat is produced. Okay, there are three types of toaster. What are they? Three types of one of the non-atomic toaster. Second one semi-atomic toaster. Third one atomic toaster. There are three types: non-atomic toaster, semi-atomic toaster, and last one atomic toaster. Non-atomic toaster. This figure is toaster. This toaster, external view of semi-automatic toaster. The internal diagram that is off position and wire gauge. Off position of the toaster, knobs, tripping knobs, and internal diagram, connections. We'll see. Go to internal connection. Thermostat, thermostat is there. Sandwich, time switch. Okay, heating element. They are the elements of the heating. The four boxes located, so heating elements. Okay, heating elements. They are the heating elements. Give the supply. How much give to supply? 230 volts and 50 hertz, and AC supply. It gives to the AC supply of the toaster. Okay, na? Next, go to the types of toasters. Non-atomic toaster. First one, go to non-atomic toaster. In this type, the bread slides are placed on hanging racks. One or two slides are kept on each side of heating elements. Okay. After the bread is toasted on one side, it is reversed and kept again. Their bread slice is taken out and toaster is switched off. The heating elements is made of nichrome in the shape of ribbons or wires. It is wood on mica strips. Okay, the power cord is attached to the element. These are the non-atomic toaster. The bread silents are placed on ingot rocks. Okay, non-atomic toaster. One or two slides are kept on each side of heating element. This is a non-atomic toaster. What are the semi-atomic toaster? Semi-atomic toaster is it consists of a heating element along with some failure like alarm or blinker which indicates the completion. Okay, the consist of heating element along with some signaling features like alarm. Signaling features అంటే significations of the after heating some sound will be there, like alarm sound and blinker, which indicate to the connect and shown in the circuit diagram. Shown in the circuit diagram. Go to circuit diagram. Here will the the alarm are bunkers which indicate to the completion of toasting period. At thermostat and heat regulator also connected. Okay, I shown the circuit diagram. Thermostat and heating element will be connected to the internal connection of semi-automatic toaster. Okay, semi-automatic toaster. The semi-automatic toaster toasting is a bread slides. It should be placed inside and set the temperature level. Okay na, toasting bread slice, it should be placed inside and set the temperature level. Okay, temperature will be inside of the places of bread slice. Okay, bread slice means in pieces of the bread. Okay, for toasting bread slice should be placed inside. Okay, after completion of time, signal feature will be activated. After heating, after the completion of time, some time will be protect to the toaster. After the reach that time, after will signal will be activated. The signal feature will be activated. Okay, which respect to the completion of the toasting period. The heating element which in ribbon shape and made from nichrome. Okay na. Okay, next last type of toaster. What is that? Automatic toaster. Automatic toaster were two types. Okay na, in the two types of toasters, two types. What is that? With pop-up mechanism and motor operated mechanism. Okay na, automatic toaster with pop-up mechanism, automatic toaster with motor operated mechanism. Automatic toaster, go to automatic toaster with pop-up mechanism. Here we'll go to the elements: handle, bread, heating of the heating places, body. Here body will go, indicating knobs, indicators. Okay na, carry levers, and here setting of the time. Okay, setting of the time. Power cord is given to the supply to power cord. Okay, it consists of automatic toaster with pop-up mechanism. It consists of heating element made from nichrome. Okay na, wood or mica strips. Okay na, wood or mica strips. Thermostat and pop-up mechanism. After the completion of toasting cycle, the heating element gets disconnected and the bread automatically explodes. The toaster do not become on unless the carriage and rocks the carriage and rocks the toaster are closed. They also provide with the selector switch. Okay, the selector switch indicate the toaster whether it kept warm or pop-up position. Okay na, this is the automatic toaster with pop-up mechanism. Operation of the automatic toaster with pop-up mechanism. Okay, pop-up mechanism. Next, go to troubleshooting. Okay na, non-automatic type, semi-automatic type. There are go to with motor operated mechanism. The automatic toaster with second type is with motor operated mechanism. The pop-up mechanism automatic made from nichrome. Okay na, nichrome or mica strips. Here we'll go to motor operated. Here we'll go automatic toaster is motor. We'll use the motor operated. Okay na. We'll go to testing of troubleshooting of toaster. Okay na, test of troubleshooting of toaster will be troubleshooting. How we'll go to troubleshooting non-automatic and semi-automatic automatic. Okay na. Semi automatic, non-automatic troubleshooting. Okay na. Non automatic type toaster, non automatic toaster type troubleshooting. First one, toaster is not working. Toaster is not working. What will be, go will take the action. Check the supply in wall socket by test lamp. Okay, check the toaster for open circuit and short circuit fault with multimeter or test lamp. Okay na. Check, toaster is not working, we'll go to check the supply in wall socket by a test lamp. Check the toaster for open circuit and short circuit fault with multimeter or lamp. While testing with lamp, if it glow dim, it indicate continuity. If it doesn't glow, it indicate open circuit. If it glow bright, it indicates short circuit. Okay, this is a tester is not working. Tester giving shock or earthing fault. Toaster giving shock or earthing fault. Toaster giving shock or earthing fault. Earthing fault, if it is earthing fault, connect one end of testing lamp to any one of the terminal and the other to the metallic part of the toaster. Okay, if lamp is glow, it indicates the earthing fault. Okay, toaster giving shock or earthing fault. Okay, element was burn or broken. Element was burn or broken. If element was burn or broken, what will go? It needs to replace of the heating element. Okay, it needs to replace of heating element. Okay, go to semi-automatic and automatic type. Semi-automatic and automatic type. Toaster falls to heat up. Toaster falls if toaster falls to heat up. Okay, it's maybe due to open circuit or short circuit in toaster, cord or its attachments. Okay, plug top, cord, toaster connecting, wire, carriage lever switch, thermostat, switching, heating, helmet contacts. If any contact found unclean, clean them, locate the fault and rectify. Okay, next, how to rectify toaster does not toast the bread uniformly. Okay, heating element does not match properly. Check the jogging. It interchanging to the heating element. Okay, toaster does not toast the bread to required color. Okay, the bread to required color. Set the toasting period by adjusting the control switch. Set the toasting period by adjusting the control switch. Okay, last one, toaster fail to pop up. Toaster fail to pop up. It is due to a defect in thermostat switch, contact of thermostat or bent, or defective pop up wire or broken carriage elevator springs. Clean the contact. Okay, check the thermostat with the lamp or check the carriage elevator springs. Okay, springs. If found defective, replace it. Okay, these are the troubleshooting of toaster of non-automatic type, semi-automatic type, automatic type. Okay, thank you everybody.